kamutan ang balloon, okay? Okay, good job, kids. So, sit down to behave ang mga kids. Okay, Tita Rhea, kasi Lala Chan, excited na? Wala na, okay? Si Lala Chan, ha? Ay, paulit ulit. Okay? Kids, mag-ask kami si Tita. Kitsuna, you will shout hooray, okay? Ano ba yung shout na ton? Ano ba yung shout na ton? Hooray! So si Tita, ma-ask, Kitsuna, you will shout hooray! Okay, and then you wave your balloons, okay? Okay, are you ready? Okay, camera, mama, guardian, papa, ready ang camera kay mag-group picture daw with Lala Chan. Okay, are you ready, kids? Okay, Kitsuna, hooray! Okay, wait, alay, kids. Kami i-ask si Lala Chan. Okay, sino gusto mag-birthday diri sa Kitsuna? Tanan, sila na gusto mag-birthday. Okay, pero si guardian, if you want to inquire about the birthday, meron kami party flyers. Mag-inquire lang kamo kay accept kami party bookings, okay? So thank you very much, kids, and have a nice day to everyone. Hi! Sino gusto magpa-picture kay Lala Chan? Okay, fall in line dito sa boy corner. Fall in line, ready na ang camera.
Hi! Isa-isa ko.
Hi!
Hi!
Hi!